have a better last day of the challenge. Today's a little bit more rough today, so we're gonna get these steps. Hey guys, it's Tracy, and if you've watched my videos, then you know that I'm in nursing school. I'm making this video because I realize that most people's workout plans fail because they put too much pressure on themselves. It's the only reason they're not accomplishing anything, and I've been there. It's hard to start. Sometimes making small steps to get to those big goals is the way to go. What I've learned from life, sometimes you have to temper your expectations. So let's go. On our day one walking challenge, and I'm really excited to see how I feel after. I'm doing this because I'm on my fitness journey, but also because I want to have a better mindset and more positivity, and walking is definitely going to do that, I feel like. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these steps in. Day 2 walking challenge. It's rainy outside and a little chilly, so we're gonna walk on the treadmill today. So let's do it.
People don't quit because they can't be consistent. They quit because it's not accessible. Just make it accessible.
Okay, day 3 of my walking challenge, and today's a little bit more rough. I worked a lot today, also did Legree today, so my body's already really exhausted and tired, but I'm getting to walk in. I'm not stopping the challenge, so that's what we're doing. And it's a little chilly, so I have a hoodie on. Get these walks done and get day 3 over with. Little tip I have for when you're doing a walking challenge is sometimes it's going to be very peaceful. You're going to be able to just walk and enjoy the view. Other times you're going to be, oh, I could be doing this, I could be doing that instead, and it demotivates you. So call a bestie, call your man, call your mom, call somebody, and I swear to you, the time goes so fast. I'm literally almost done with walking for the day, and I feel like I just started. This view doesn't hurt. For day 4 walking challenge, I feel good today. I feel it's a little bit easier. I did already do Pilates today, so I feel like I have a lot more energy for today. Go crush these steps. Let's go.
Your environment should serve your goals, not obstruct them. When you remove the barriers, progress becomes inevitable.
All right, we're on day 5 walking challenge. I wanted to go outside today. It's pretty outside today, so we're gonna get these steps. We're gonna crush these steps today. Day 6 walking challenge. I just got done with Pilates, and I'm gonna go ahead and crush these steps out the way inside today.
I love this treadmill. It's affordable, functional, and just makes working out so much easier. With a powerful 3-horsepower motor, it runs smooth and quiet. No shaking, no distractions, just you focusing on your pace. What really makes a difference for me is the auto incline feature. On days when I don't feel like doing an intense workout, I can still walk, but by adding incline, I'm actually burning more calories and engaging more muscles without even increasing speed. It's such an easy way to level up your routine. What I appreciate the most is how easy it fits into my daily life. It's compact, foldable, and doesn't take up much space, so there's really no excuse not to use it.
Day 7 of the walking challenge. I'm gonna go ahead and get these steps out the way for this morning. It is like 8 o'clock this morning, and I have a lot of stuff to do today, so we're gonna go ahead and crush these and get them out the way. So let's do it.
I forgot to mention that this is the Run treadmill. The running space is surprisingly comfortable. It doesn't feel cramped at all, so I can move naturally without constantly worrying about my steps.
Day 8 walking challenge. I am eating a matcha overnight oats with mango, and it's actually really good before I go do my walks. And to be honest, today's gonna be really hard. I just don't feel like walking today. We can't give up. We're gonna go do it. Today we need sunlight, so we're gonna go out there and get this walk done. This is how much I didn't feel like walking today. I'm literally in my pajamas.
Why does something like this always scare me? I be like freaked out thinking there's really gonna be an alligator out here.
I know why I chose to wear a hoodie, because it's hot. Day 9 walking challenge. We're about to do it indoor. I have a few things I need to do on my phone and editing and such, so we're gonna just do that inside. So let's go ahead and get these steps in. I do want to say, since I am on day 9 and I'm almost done with the 2-week challenge, it is actually, the first part of it was like super rough to get motivated. Now it's kind of like just a part of my day, so it's it's a lot more easy to get through it. So just make it work. But yeah, that's a little update. Day 10 walking challenge. I'm so excited because I'm actually like sticking with it, and I feel really good about it. And I haven't weighed myself. I only weighed myself once, the first day, and I'm gonna weigh myself at the very end. And if I didn't lose anything, I'm okay with that. But I'm really excited to see, because I feel like stronger. I feel, even though it's been like almost 2 weeks, I just feel different. I feel more energized, I feel better, especially like getting up, because my job requires me to just sit down a lot. So I don't know, I just feel amazing, you guys. So I'm really excited. But today is the 10th day. We gotta go crush these steps. So let's get it.
Day 10, this is when momentum kicks in. When your work keeps you sitting for hours, having an instant way to move your body isn't just a choice, it becomes part of who you are.
Day 11 walking challenge. I am extremely tired today. I don't feel like walking today, but we can't let that affect our plan. So we're gonna go ahead and get it done.
I was worried this treadmill might wake my babies, but surprisingly, they didn't even notice I was walking.
Day 12 of the walking challenge, I just drank an entire thing of water, which is very unlike me, and I'm so happy about that. So I'm hydrated and ready to get to these steps. So let's go. And I think we're gonna go outside now because it's really pretty outside. So let's go. All right, we're getting our walk in. It is so windy outside, but it's so hot, so it feels amazing. And I feel like I'm like sliding. Like, I feel like this walk is like so much easier than day one. Day one, I was like super out of breath, barely being able to make it. And now it's kind of like I'm still out of breath, but I feel better and stronger. So I'm happy about that. Day 13, we're almost done with the challenge. I feel amazing about this. I actually stuck with it, and I have, even if I don't notice anything on the scale or whatever, I feel amazing. So it was totally worth it for me. So we're gonna go till we finish. And I honestly might continue it every day, because it just, I don't understand why I would quit, but for the challenge, today tomorrow's the last day. 15. We're gonna do our last day of the challenge, and then we're gonna see before and afters. Let's go crush this challenge and finish it off strong. All right, time for our before and afters.
I'm so proud of myself, pat on my back for me, creating such high expectations for myself, and I was able to accomplish it. So if you're watching this and you finish the video, then this helps you in some way. You have to enjoy the process, because only if you enjoy the process will you accomplish it with zero effort.